Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Reviews, your go-to channel for discovering the coolest and most practical gadgets out there. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best robot vacuums you must have, perfect for keeping your home spotless with zero effort. If you're ready to save time and enjoy a cleaner space, you won't want to miss these game-changing cleaning companions. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button to support us. And if you're interested in any of the robot vacuums featured, you can find all the product links in the description box below. Coming in at number 5, we have the Natally D200, a powerful 3-in-1 cleaning robot that sweeps, vacuums, and mops in one seamless motion. With a generous 250 milliliter dustbin and 310 milliliter water tank, this vacuum is built for whole home care. It delivers up to 6,000 pascals of suction power, enough to lift dirt, dust, and pet hair from hardwood floors, tiles, and even carpets thanks to its auto suction boost technology and anti-tangle roller brush. It uses 360-degree LiDAR navigation to create precise maps of your home. At number 4 is the feature-packed Tapo RV30 Max Plus, a robotic vacuum and mop with a self-emptying dock and ultra-precise LiDAR smart navigation. With up to 5,300 pascals max suction, this robot vac is a beast on hardwood and low-pile carpets, making it excellent for pet owners and high-traffic homes. Its standout mesh grid technology ensures no spot is missed, providing full room coverage with a unique zigzag cleaning path. Want to avoid mopping your carpet? No problem. The RV30 can automatically detect and avoid carpets during mop mode while increasing suction during vacuuming. Taking spot number 3 is the eufy E20 3-in-1 combo, a game changer that fuses robotic, stick, and handheld vacuuming in one innovative package. Winner of a CES Best of Innovation Award, this versatile cleaner delivers up to 30,000 pascal suction in handheld mode and 8,000 pascal in robot mode, giving you unmatched cleaning performance on any surface. In the runner-up position, we have the tried-and-true Roomba 6-71020 by iRobot. This Wi-Fi connected model integrates perfectly with Alexa and Google Assistant, making it a breeze to schedule cleanings with your voice or the iRobot Home app. Its classic 3-stage cleaning system loosens, lifts, and suctions dirt from carpets and hard floors, while dual multi-surface brushes and an edge-sweeping brush target debris in corners and along walls. The dirt detect sensors ensure dirtier areas are cleaned more thoroughly, while the adaptive navigation suite keeps it safely moving under furniture and away from stairs. For anyone looking to enter the world of robot vacuums without sacrificing smart features or cleaning performance, the Roomba 671 is a fantastic choice. Finally, at number 1 is the fan favorite ILIFE 3S Pro, a slim, reliable, and super affordable robot vacuum that's ideal for pet hair and low-pile carpets. Its tangle-free suction system is specially designed to pick up pet hair without clogging the brush, making it a pet owner's dream. With a low-profile design, the V3's Pro can clean under beds, sofas, and furniture where dust loves to hide. It offers automatic scheduling, self-charging, and runs for up to 100 minutes on a full charge,